Fighting has intensified between Israeli forces and Hamas near and around Gaza City's besieged and overcrowded hospitals. Gaza officials say missiles landed on Friday in the courtyard of Al-Shifa, that's the enclave's biggest hospital. Israel's military later said a misfired projectile launched by Palestinian militants had hit Al-Shifa. The Hamas-run Gaza Health Ministry said Israel had bombed the hospital buildings 5 times, while Israel accused Hamas of using the hospital as a command center and the people of Gaza as human shields. There were reports of explosions inside or near 3 other key Gaza hospitals throughout the day. The director of Al-Shifa hospital said at least 25 were killed in Israeli strikes on the Al-Buraq school. Gaza's Health Ministry said over 11,000 Palestinians have been killed in the month-long conflict so far. Israel on Friday revised its death toll from the October 7th Hamas attack down to around 1,200. Israel has agreed to pause its military operations for several hours a day to let civilians flee. Akram Al Satari reports from Gaza.
We have been seeing some of our colleagues who are working in the press and also some other ordinary citizens of southern Gaza and Gaza City who were fleeing from the ongoing bombardment in that area. We have seen like hundreds of them coming to this central Gaza, coming to the hospital to take refuge of the hospital and shelter in this hospital. It looks like Israel decided to start this 4 hours, between 1 to 4 hours ultimatum to allow the ones who are subjected to the heavy bombardment to relocate from northern Gaza and the Gaza City to Gaza central area and Khan Yunis area. And it is very striking that this ceasefire or this humanitarian pause as described by the American administration and by Israel is solely in the northern Gaza and Gaza City, which means they are pushing people outside of Gaza and the north, and they're prompting them towards the south, and they are engaging in a very fierce and heavy bombardment where they're moving also their ground troops towards Gaza City. They are now located in Al-Nasser area. They're around Al-Nasser Pediatric Hospital, Al-Nasser Eye Hospital, Al-Nasser Obstetrics Hospital, and they are pushing hard and targeting, and according to the Palestinian Ministry of Health, 20 hospitals in Gaza are already out of service, and the other ones are struggling with the influx of the large number of people injured. So it looks like Israel is planning and willing to continue and complete the plan of removing and displacing all the people who are in Gaza and the north to the south of Gaza, and that's why they are engaging in that humanitarian pause.